Be prepared for anything no matter where you are with the RAK Hammer Multi-Tool. Unlike most multi-tools, ours features a hammer, plus 11 other tools including a nail claw, pliers, wire cutter, flathead and Phillips screwdriver, saw, straight and serrated blade, file, and a bottle opener. The locking feature ensures tools lock into place during use for added stability and safety. Plus, it's built with a heavy-duty stainless steel construction to keep up with you, but feels light and comfortable in your hands. Keep it close with the included durable nylon belt holster. And with its premium box packaging, it makes a great gift item. Be ready for anything with the RAK Hammer Multi-Tool.